Hey yo, what is going on guys? Today I'm gonna be releasing my first pack for CryptoPunk NFT style, and this one is not free, so if you're only interested in getting a free pack you can check out my last video. And for this pack, HeartPixel, it's gonna be really affordable, anyone can buy it, and I think it's worth it. And especially if you're getting into like NFT and CryptoPunk style, that will help a lot of designers and non-designers, so it doesn't really take experience. We have hats, hairstyles, glasses, outfits, heart items, and character customization. And we have a secret gift. I'm probably gonna keep that private for those who buy it. So for the hats, we have a beanie, iPad, backward, you know, like different variations that you can use to generate NFTs. Weekend hair, and for the glasses, you know, like it's a long list. For the outfits, I really like having outfits on my NFTs probably outstand the normal CryptoPunk. I think it's much better looking this way. So for example, you want to use this as your social media profile picture, you have an outfit and like customize that, get like Gucci and stuff. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. And for the extra items, we have like sword, guitar, hero cap, another hero cap, spider, and this goes on. And for character customization, this is not like variants. This is more how you prefer to how you prefer the look of your character. For example, skin, you have colors, you have shade. To have like sleepy eyes or tired, give more detail to the NFT, which make it look much better. And for the eyes, you can like switch eyes if you want. Beards, if you're interested, having beards. Nose, just keep that on. For the mouth, you can switch like have lips or just a smile. And this is pretty much it. You can also change the background color to your liking. You can turn off this and change the color, do whatever you want. And this is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys like this pack, and buying it really helped me, and I'll make sure to make another one if you guys like this one. But don't forget to like and comment and let me know what you think about it. If you need help with NFTs, like generating them, or you don't want to make them, you just want to buy off me, yeah, sure, I can help you with that. Just drop a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll drop the link down if you want to buy it.